Hey fam, I am on the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise for a 2 night cruise, staying in an ocean view cabin. Let's go check it out. Starting at the front door, right away to the left of the door, you will find these main switches that will control the lights in the room. Going further over, you see this door. This will be your wardrobe, one part of it. Here you find your hangers, you find some space above and also below. There are these several drawers that you could put some items in. Moving over to the other side now, you find additional hangers. You find your robes, complimentary for you to use, and beneath it, space that you could put your luggage or additional items as you desire. Now, to the right of the door, here's another sliding door, and this sliding door will open up into your bathroom. Now be careful, there is a step up. Don't fall, don't trip. And as you look into this bathroom, here is the counter, nice size counter, and a nice size mirror for you to get ready, and a mirror also here, a standing mirror as well. Beneath the counter, you'll find your towels, and also in this cabinet here, you will find your waste basket. In the corner will be your toilet. And this has a shower curtain, a circular shower. It's not very big. You have shelves in here, and you have your shower gel, your shampoo, and your conditioner. Moving out of the bathroom into the main bedroom area once again. Now, right next to the standing closets, here are some more places where you could put some items. So right here is your life jackets. Here you will find your safe. Here's just this open space that you could put any items you so desire. And beneath it is several more drawers that you can put some additional items. This one in particular, you will have your hair dryer. Next to that, you have your ice bucket, some cups, some things for sale as wine and water, and beneath it you will find your fridge, small fridge, just to put something in there to keep chill if you so desire. Moving further into the bedroom area, now a little desk, not a big desk, but just enough that if you need to use it for whatever reason, get on your computer or whatever it is that you desire. Here's a desk and a nice stool. I sat on it earlier. This is a comfortable stool. And you'll find some tissues. Once again, another mirror in here as well. Now, in this corner, if you see at the bottom, there is a plug. So I know plugs are very important. And you can also use this here, this 220 voltage, but it also has a USB here as well. Here's a nice sitting chair. Here is the phone. And these are the two twin beds. They can convert into a king bed. So the thing about this phone as well, there is a USB on the side. So it may not have a lot of plugs in here, but they have a lot of USB capabilities. Here between the beds, you'll find these light switches, just that little countertop or a little thing that you could put your items on if you so desire. In this corner as well is more opportunities to put your USB cables to charge up your items. So I guess this little blue thing here is just to put some items as well. This is an ocean view, so here is the porthole. And as you can see, we are still in the port. Here is the TV in the corner. And so it's a nice size TV. So I'm going to show you the room once more and in its entirety, just for you to look at it, look at the size of it. Fam, what do you think about the room? Can you do me a favor, family? Can you like, comment, and subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. It will greatly help my channel and I will appreciate it. And until next time, happy travels.